Commences in 30 seconds.
I suppose it cannot hurt to take a little holiday.
I understand.
Team chat.
Understood. Hello there.
I went in there to yell at you for not joining.
Oh.
Left.
Sorry.
It's alright, I just hate you.
Capture objective A.
Oh, they have a hand job, be careful. And a Weedo. Oh no, I thought. Wow, that is quite the team they got going there. Yeah, I'm just gonna get up there with you, Tracer. Oh, what? I just got killed through the Rhine shield. Like, actually. He literally shot me through the shield.
Ryan, if you can press him up, bubble.
I'm shooting at Arissa.
Ana can die.
I'm shooting at Hanzo now.
Ana's low back.
Oh, baby! Wow, that was the wildest charge I've ever fucking seen. That Arissa got bopped up into the air and he just caught her.
The payload is in my charge. Let us move it.
Oh, they swapped to Zarya.
And
Off of
McCree.
Hanzo, I think.
My will made real.
They're all set up on high ground. May's on point. Baptiste.
Top the mortality.
Fuck. Ooh, I need heals. McCree's behind. I think Ryan's got him, yeah. Rissa's up top. May's on me. Oh, you're a fucking beast, thank you. I thought I was dead for sure, and then you came out of nowhere and said, "Hey, be gone."
Hey, as soon as you said something, I got you. In case.
Oh shit! I got her. Now get the McCree. Oh, Hog on behind us. Hog's using his heal, I believe. Oh, May's on me. I need help. Right off payload. Behind us. Nice, done, dog.
My ultimate is almost ready.
Alright, I'm gonna try and get the high ground. Yeah, Ryan, I'm gonna try and get high ground for my high noon off here, Shadow, if I can. I don't know if it's possible. Yeah, I'm working on it. I'm just gonna be real slow about it. They ceased resistance. Oh, I can't high noon, he did it first. I died. I'm gonna switch to Junkrat for some shield break.
A temporary setback.
Hog's behind us. They have wall hacks.
I'm really high charge. Give me up.
Wow. You know what? I'm gonna get off of Junkrat and go on to Reaper.
Just like in training.
Off to the church. Let's go left.
Group up with me.
Don't do that. I tried and it didn't work.
100 church.
Kind of feeding, I'm sorry.
Did we lose our line?
There's a McCree like literally in our spawn. What are you doing there, Chief?
Trace, you ready for pulse time? Get the hog.
Fuck!
Get the hog.
McCree is super low, way behind. He's in our spawn, coming from behind. Nice. He used it with like 80 HP, what a dummy.
I got you, we'll grab her over here. Junkrat's super low.
He was looking for a nice little
You
bomb.
got this.
Oh, they have no mortality
Got
field?
it down.
Nice. Junkrat's low. Nice.
Got teased.
Nice.
Score
Solid push.
0. Switching sides. Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
Grav Dragon combo. Ooh. Dave, you want to be main tank or off tank?
I can play Reinhardt. Unless you want to play Ryan. You probably played him more than I have
I
recently.
can play either. It's up to you.
I'll just play Ryan if I need to switch. We can just flip flop. But I think it'll be okay.
Sounds good.
Together, we are strong.
Greetings.
Understood.
Just kind of communicate to me if you want to go aggressive, because I'll like save bubbles and shit for you.
Much obliged. Attackers incoming in 30 seconds. You have my thanks.
What an interesting hypothesis.
Garamargot.
Where do you want to play from, Dave?
My house.
Nice. I'll start driving there though.
Or
I'll pull a tug and just leave to
4,
go get
3,
drops mid game.
1.
that motherfucker.
Defend objective A.
I am your
I blame Tug that we lost last game, even though we won. Wow, that's a lot of damage. Shield's coming down. Shield's going back up. Shield's coming back down. Shield's going back up. That is no bueno.
There's a Mercy.
I don't know where Farah is. She's behind us.
Mercy just res top left. Got the soldier. Far as above point, behind, good kill.
Nice.
Soldier's firing from my own.
I gotta keep shield down.
I don't have a bubble yet, man. Be careful.
You're good, you're good.
Bubble you here. Oh, never mind, I missed bubble, Somebody. The soldier. Marissa.
Somebody is on point. Mercy and Genji ran off somewhere.
Far right, Marissa over here.
This will heal you.
Behind you!
Dude, this eagle makes me want to fucking kill myself. Comes around the corner and just gets in my way. That fucking eagle ride thing. It's so
I don't know why.
annoying.
I mean, it's just annoying. I can't see the point of it being there. In like a used pathway. This is low.
That Pharah's gonna burst us or whatever the fuck she does. Haha! Be gone.
It's Genji. Genji's super low.
I have the hammer. Yeah, I'm not gonna use hammer here. Where'd that Mercy go? Alright, let's just back it up. Back it up, back it up.
My ultimate is almost ready.
Far over mid.
Genji's coming up behind you, Ash. Nice. My shield's down.
Get in there.
Hanzo, you ready to combo here?
Nice.
Good job, Hanzo.
Nice.
Have my thanks.
I didn't do anything that fight. Good work.
60 seconds.
I guess they're throwing.
My ultimate is charging.
I mean, it's still at 222.
Go.
Yeah, but I don't think that Twitch TV Go Eat Chalk is gonna kill me. On Widow. Like, I just have a feeling he hasn't got a whole lot of movesets.
30 seconds.
They're coming top left. Careful up there.
Get in there. Is that all you've got?
Let him in and I'm gonna hammer from behind him.
10 seconds.
Surrender to my will. I am on fire. I will lead us to victory.
Pussies!
Damn, Dave, I went 32 and 2.
Damn!
Good healing, healers. Kept me up.
Play of the game.
Can't buddy homo.
Hanzo had some good combos.
This is a weird, but I feel like there's a lot of gay people that play Overwatch.